We have another example on the board. This time we're supposed to find the length of side C and angle alpha and angle beta. Because the two lengths are given, I can find the third side by using Pythagorean Theorem. C squared is equal A squared plus B squared. In order to find C, I have to square root both sides of this formula, and I'm going to have C equals square root A squared plus B squared. This is equal square root A equals 17 meters to the second power plus 12 meters to the second power. C is equal 20.8 meters. This is the length of side C. Next, we're supposed to find the angles. This time, I'm going to find angle beta first, and I'm going to use formula for cosine beta. Of course, I can use formula for sine and tangent, but because, let's say, I want to practice calculations with the trigonometric functions, I'm going to use cosine beta this time. So I have cosine beta is equal A over C. In order to find angle beta, I'm supposed to find the inverse cosine of A over C. So I have beta is equal inverse cosine A over C. And this is equal cosine inverse. We have A 17 meters over C, which is equal 20.8 meters. Meter and meter will cancel out. And if you are going to plug in this expression into the calculator, you're supposed to obtain 35.18 degrees. And this is my angle beta. If you want to find angle alpha, you're supposed to simply subtract from 90 degrees angle beta. So I have 90 degrees minus 35.18 degrees, and this is going to give me 54.82 degrees. We found the length of side C, we found angle beta and angle alpha, so we can say that the problem is solved.